A Spanish client once described me as a rubber duck on steroids, and I take that as a compliment. After all, rubber ducks are great at helping people. My rubber duck, here he is, listens patiently to my problems, tolerating all my inconsistencies and confusion. And sometimes all we need is passive support like this, someone or something to listen as we talk through our thoughts. But here's the catch. A rubber duck won't ask the tough question you've been avoiding. It won't push you beyond your comfort zone, and it can't offer genuine encouragement. But I can, and I will. My name is Andy Betts, and I'm an independent coach and trainer. I was born in the UK, but have lived in France for the past 30 years. Since 2009, I've developed a coaching training offer for clients from a wide range of industries, including semiconductor, software, fashion, banking, even cement. I work with individual contributors, with managers and leaders to find practical solutions to their challenges. But we don't stop there. Solutions are just the beginning. Most challenges are doorways to bigger, more fundamental issues, like accountability, confidence, responsibility, and control, for example. My background in the semiconductor industry and my experience as the European manager for two American startups have given me a broad perspective, and this helps me better understand the challenges my clients face. I've been a trainer for many years. In 2014, I became a certified coach, and I obtained EMCC accreditation as a senior practitioner in 2023. Coaching work has been both life-changing and life-affirming. I find my exchanges with clients incredibly rewarding, and I've seen how coaching principles work wonders in all areas of life. So, what will you get if you come to me for coaching? Well, I'll expect you to work hard for a start. You probably know that the word coaching originated in athletics. Well, in this case, you're the athlete doing all the running. I'm the guy on the bike cheering you on. I'll provide feedback, insights, and occasional prescriptions, all aimed at helping you progress. And like a good rubber duck, I'll listen patiently and respect confidentiality at all times. If you've never had coaching before, I encourage you to take the plunge. If you have, I think you'll find I offer something different. So why not visit my website and get in touch? I'd be delighted to hear from you.